Hi everyone, in this video I am explaining one of the Java program which is most widely asked interview question. Our program is to reverse the string. So here you can observe the input string is already given, so output should be displayed in this way. So here we can see there are two words are in this string and each and every letters of that strings are reversed. Create a string and that string I am assigning into the same variable as an input. Next, we have to convert this each and every letters of the string into character array. So why we are converting this whole string into character array is because we are reading one character at a time. So to read one character at a time from the given string, we are converting that whole string into character array. We are creating a variable as a char ch of what type? It's a type array. So our string is what? Input. Here input dot to char array is a method which is used for converting string into character of type char array. We have to find the length of the string is with the help of length is of type integer. Int n equal to our string is input dot length. We are using a for loop here for iterating purpose. So for loop I am taking one variable as I for iterating and assigning that each and every letter into I. So I am taking best method is for reversing the string is reading the letters from last character to first character and assigning to one of the variable. That is the best way to reverse the string. So when always array starts from 0, last letter of the string is always it should starts from n minus 1. So what it should happen? N minus 1. Our string length is n. So we are reading from last character is n minus 1. So next one we are using the condition here till the condition become false. It should iterate. What I is greater than or equal to 0. If I is less than 0 means minus or something minus 1 or minus 2, then condition should become false and it should come out of the loop. Because first character is what? Always it should start from 0. I should be greater than or equal to 0. Next one, I should be decreased by 1. Okay. Next one, enter the loop. So now we have read one letter here. What is that letter? M. Last letter we are reading here. So what we have to do? We have to read that letter and assign into one empty string. So here we have to create one empty string, that is the string. So the same variable we will take as output and create one empty string. So output equal to output plus where we have converted this whole string into character. So with the help of this to char array and we have assigned that all characters into this ch variable. So ch of what? I. Ch of I. So here we have to display the output for displaying system.out.print and our where we have stored our string into output variable. So I'm taking output. Now run the program. So here you can observe the each and every letters of that string is reversed. So output is same as that of output is given here. So I hope you all understood how to reverse the string. Thanks for watching my video. So whatever doubts you have related to any technical related topic, so you can comment me in the comment box. Definitely I'll try to make video on those topics. Thank you.